See. How?
Lippert, on his Zacha, Ket agent, on the Tom Babaraman, and the Yejuma. So when the opportunity came for us to get a technical director, instead of looking for someone who is beyond what we are looking for, we quickly settled on Lippert because he's a friend of the regime.
The Alba non-qualified or
qualified. But he wasn't a suitable candidate for Ejumano. Michael and Samuel Kenyani, he'll be with African terrain. What was his knowledge of our terrain? 2. Ejuma Omudi Lippert be say am I on football DNA no. Bruni say a repetition of work. Lippert. Survey questions. Any questionnaire. Or the kwa bonting. E di bisa questions. E di throw. Sa ne document na friend of the Ghana football DNA no. Makai bi or them had their trail. Where could see sense no. Ye check Lippert ni document ko yenum. Omo ye de ma omo. The respondents to the questionnaire. Lippert na nkasano obi ono kobre wuo no SOMPA fenam. Lippert doesn't understand our football. By a kofana basometry in football DNA. When the likes of Samade, the multi-system man, Bonjour Frani, Kwesia Frani, Emmanuel coach Ika Frani, Okwai, Herbert Ado, all the big wigs in our football. Omo munim ball num ben kofi mo munim Ghana football num no. You take commission of inquiry no. You sign true document. And a football DNA. And sana ket any FAW ebe yes ade no. Amanfo koka che ne say look. Ye wa ade no sa ho ntime yes ade we. Ne mum fa de ho no ye dwuma. Trofo no se me dance ni wa broche. A member of the Commission of Inquiry, IETA, for the 2014 World Cup fiasco. Moses Fuamwanin Esquire. He's on public record to have said, say, your football DNA. Nansana Lippert ebeye ni football DNA no. Okohu FA president, Kate E.S. Okreku, president of the Football Republic, and say, Penny, you were a document to order that. Na juma ni emfanye. Esan say o se fire down for ba na ema Ghana for so wa ye adwuma nti ene ye yes ade no ko bi sa omo be implement na omo be kire sa football de the document no say when ye na call training you pram so okuba okroma be kire nkwa ne say Ghana say ne ye boy but then again here we are emphobia ho denying kofuna komo anopai na nke ko break ni be kan ho pa now
over can one obey
aye Ghana Hana football a public good, a common good that is good for everybody. Lippert Asemna American, and you say they are Mr. America. Nipa no ye Black Stars team manager before Aminu Shadow ever be age one. No or Golden Cakes party in the team. I don't know if you buy
Golden Cakes.
Yes. Under his regime, why national team in such a manner say. Ne nam fofo a oni omo grow ye no omo a no de omo fem ye free opoko afie akoni sabanko eso e na ye ba de okofa ne free Golden Cakes brain o free all the shadow na brain mo se ye nkan ya no ntum ne yeso ya kan ya no atu because ye kakaka ye nkosi we and then Muftau Nabila no or joy or church or intentine no so Twitter X no so say ye pe no amanfo free say he is after the FA. Na Nabila said the nyesa wasem na memfa ho na enye ne obehuni
o ade
Nabila say amanfo mo afi ono sa o tro bibi na sa o bisa questions a eye na o madwen o mo say ke the ifris member say o madwen o mo say you have something against them. Yes, that's their mindset. Twetrebia suraya na koto a unitire yesiti payaba na usu uniti Huh? What has the crab got to do with migraine? Who need three? Koto 3.
Davi.
Now I don't na when you 3.
Yes.
Na setipayaba. I didn't know what's a koto
unity.
I didn't know who's
be alone to be man and now.
I'm cutting on WhatsApp platform so I know obi antata no or per trend into no say I'm for look Jeff ni no name here fine pa. Look, people should find out what I went through during that World Cup expose. And I disagree. It's a quite better than person in the big man. Jerome Oche Trokoma, Ministry of Youth and Sports, says Sika Yitu Chama for a World Cup, no? Or the right to information. Quickly, now if you for nothing, the way and the you are on working, who quiet there who are winning a coup. And they make domo for us. Now look, this is what has happened. And the minister must set up. Yema is $9 million.
Your core World Cup.
9 million. Sabi obient me nka say 9 million ye de mayen because ya yi edwuma yi. Muftau Nabila no atra koma FIFA. E bisa say sika sen ye de mayen. Alaji na se yen kwa edwuma. Muftau tro ko ye no. Yen hwe nsema FIFA for no so ka. Ha? Na so betimi the graphic na ba wada ma main ho. Wow, baby awo bia no say omo say ye boy esirim. Agenda journalist I throw for Muftau need email no that one. FIFA financial report. Where you FIFA email or the abre or Ghana because he say you be doing good man pay.
SOMPA Sports.
Almost say the sum received by the Ghana Football Association for Ghana's participation in the FIFA World Cup 2022 is referenced on page 292 of the report. 219, sorry, of the report. As previously stated, we kindly refer you to the relevant football association in question for any further questions you might have. Enti, you try call FIFA hoko bisa say, say na Ghana nya ye no. Omo say, omo report no. Ghana de no, e will pay 219. Enti, ye hu anu wie na say your question be a further and better particulars are. Yen call relevant FA. Ye relevant FA ya wan ya. Ghana Football Association.
Yes.
And yes, I true him. Further to our previous responses, the amount of prize money reported in the annual report was credited to the Ghana Football Association. And as standard practice, we allow the participating member association to book certain services and or tickets to be settled with the prize money. We kindly refer you to the Ghana Football Association for further deals. FIFA and the one when you Photoshop.
Yeah.
Now, page 219, the pop. That's the solo. Maybe I will be say you unitri, kota unitri. What is a cat by Yasama? Now, Yem Shisho. Sicaro Argentina Navy Kai champion. Omunia 27. Omunia France, Croatia, Morocco na 25. 27. Ghana ya saying Mira. Argentina ya say 2-0 everywhere.
Yes.
And yes, America.
SOMPA Sports.
No problem, Mira. Ghana for you will be 219. Na Ghana for ofie. Say kosiso ditro. Ya sambi si omokoso. Wow, be 17 to 32nd. Wow, went to me uncle round of 16.
9 and a das yo.
Pacho Bubo Krona want to check Ghana for.
Belgium, Cameroon, Canada, Costa Rica, Denmark, Ecuador, Germany, Ghana.
Pacho, you know. Yeah, Ghana, you're saying.
9.
Nemum. You call a buy honor. I could catch a buy. Say Ghana in $7.9 million.
How?
Sikano swati by 1.1 million.
How?
Near Ghana Football Association, I could catch a buy. A buy also through the accountant and auditor general, through the usage of our consolidated fund. I catch almost 7.9. You 2.5. Emma GFE. Norman Fankoye Legacy Project. Under the authorization of the President of the Republic.
Yes.
Letter issued through the Chief of Staff to Mr. Kwate, our Chief of Staff for Ministry of Youth and Sports. Chief Director, sorry. Yeah. 5.4, no yem fanko aban futum. If it's aban Bob Blasters, okay. 1.1 no more the year then.
1.1.
Obiam Fesika Diao. Nemum.
Now that come. You are never be said they are not in the tournament, but football for
Ketokreku campaign on the principle of accountability. He should be a man of his word. Everybody on that ESCO, be a man of your word. Be the integrity man you are. You are a man of integrity. I accept it. Organize a press conference and explain to Ghanaians what that 1.1 million. If free 9 million, so now Intimokacha buying 7.9. Then yeah.
I want to say good camps can be a command in say baby.
He only now we are specific issue money. 1.1 million.
I find.
No, in fact, baby,
normally expenses.
When you get
FIFA will deduct from source.
Good. Yeah, my list. Say you find the powder do say nembra. Mono amoko kata no muhu bi. E ka krama ya man fam fin kan yanko. Bi fi won no jano. Nipa no mo da Black Stars Hotel house. O ka mo nyina abom na yi Black Stars technical team ne omo ko e ma Black Stars eto nche ya. No mo ye times 2. Omo na Black Stars contingent.
No more times 2.
Aye. FIFA email uhu bi.
SOMPA sports.
Look, we have a mentality towards this national resources. A national cake, we don't grow a cake, we rather eat it. That's our mentality. Black Star said the quaff come. Jeff not on. Name me there, because he said to Benjamin, Mustafa Nabila or Joy. Sunday Numa, and they didn't come on the pay. They are trying to come FIFA. Every says he can't away. Almost you 9 million. GFC and Saka 7.9. 1.1 a day. Henry Asante Trum say be a yellow card. If the yellow card 8, but we are $10,000. In 80,000, if you 1.1 million, send a deca. Yeah, the people are $80,000 because of yellow card TDA. Granted, say Yakutia, because nobody has shown in.
Almost scan. Almost it is our money.
Yeah, what can that scan wall?
Yeah, yellow card, yes. They are kind of money. Didn't you got it here? 7.9 of me. Move is a more healthy. And a crum hana, some move is a muyobia, and you'll be na moyeno. Some move is a muyobia, and you'll be na moyeno. More na moyamo. Now, immediately the dra. A bedroom in Amazon.
About though, a weakness of the minister. You see, listen, maybe anyone see that. I remember 2010. Okay, where the FA were ordered to bring the entire money to the government coffers. We're a minister. I mean, Sebi, you are the sports minister. You are cotton on better, but I bind invested so much into the campaign. When the money, when I saw making sure, first of all, before it's kind of and I'm saying that's the practice.
SOMPA sports.
You meet the FA president about the budget I'm going to approve here, and then be the course, and you make sure say Oben no cry wom, Sikano cry bano. I buy one coin some ask FIFA some direct scan like I said the 2010 one. That's what happened. Scano buy and it was directed to government coffers. You know what they are saying?
Matthias.
So I mean, if the minister of sports up and doing that, his responsibility is to make sure that the right thing is done because Obi and you, like Director General Concert OD, NS Director General Concert now OD or can Obi and well, Concert no,
Concert.
Oh yes, Concert. He's a minnow when it comes to this job. Me as I work with 5 Director Generals of with NSA. Or at least I don't want to go into that, but I bet him. Because I mean, because the human know you're not here. Sector minister. First of all, this is not the first time you call welcome, Baba. And you call baby, President Kufo Bresu, almost this come for legacy project. The minister will always make sure before the money comes, every president only obey a meeting most of the time before. Send a bill, obey or catch a buying before that. So assuming say we fine, 1 year, Baba Bedu. Minister Academy says he's not aware of that the fact that Ska FIFA the money. So you're aware now there's a difference 1.1 million. What is he doing about it? What has he done about it? Sector Minister emphasized Bertrand Bone Semo. This is serious money that you are supposed to make sure you follow it. You don't become a sector minister by just wearing nice dressing. No. These are serious matters you have to address. So if you are failing to address it, the back stop at him. Ghana for Sebi Yesika Nedi Bo qualifies, a tia bonus in India, Ericotona.
SOMPA sports.
Sesikaba Yako Nanyamiadum Yaba Kakraba Esia Boom. I don't know have come by minister I'm friend of parliament.
Yes, a friend of
no where they
Coaching Simo.
And then scanner by he was asked to come and account.
Yes.
And then scanner or Nidia.
David.
In Ghana body.
Ghana Food.
I didn't know friend said because a Ghana Fusika.
To also become a
national. So what is preventing them is from asking the every president when he's not. This is not the first time that's happened. So it's up to him. Say, or no uncle said they said you want to so makache. What do I say? Jumano wada.
There was a parliament me friend on Baba.
No, but he has to lead it. He has to finish. If in parliament you have to table the motion.
Yes.
So if no member ABA make Obia on issue have not done that, what is he doing about it? He has to. He's a member of parliament. That's what I'm saying. Yes. So I mean, order where no minister or Egypt na team ko Egypt unko surround the way mami come some so. Oh.
Abazo. Azemwe but team mele go Egypt minister we Egypt.
Na media man ko so go.
I know one kwa yo.
Masa. Mami come say. Na no ya chebe ba mami come media masa.
Sikano.
Oh please.
Ghanaska anamebo.
Let's Ghanaska.
Say misika wo ho na obeyi bia ya dia na o ye.
Me catch them. Yes, and sana me.
Then I to believe that the minister sanctioned every expense at JPNK.
Oh, nothing adamful. I don't want to go into certain.
They make cannot answer.
I mean, there says
Say minister na ma ho kwan
every president me finance
spend this can. So ma ho kwan say then he won't come and ask them any questions again.
Na I know you munim za dem MP na say.
No, a PR obey the general obey.
But I mean, yes, me nishi,
General obey.
That's me. That's only
Say, for instance, the issue about last night, thank you. Atalu, there's a third equipment officer. Third. But maybe everybody.
Third equipment officer.
Yes. But everybody. Yeah. So, Oma Madena is starving. Every papa na can the Basana, difficult for you to say, sir, who's tampo authority.
Wow.
What do you got here?
Material.
Yes. Eddie. Unti tampo authority.
You press out. You press out.
Mamimbo deputy minister Duku Apa. For me.
Public record, making public record. Yes, okay, could the president of the Eco Minister Mustafa Yusuf
SOMPA sports.
Mustafa Nabila and two others. Jerome Bampo, the person Juma. He reported to X to him. So on blacklisted
What person mo Jine Juma?
I say yeah, near Jine Juma. That's what the FA president did.
Yes. Ghana, look, what quickness is this? At the appropriate time, he has not even suffered 2%.
I was there, Mom Renaso. Why? Manjana me pijama. Brahma me nyame draw na me ko. With
or it's better than the sports minister. Do you know why?
Hey, Apostle.
Oh, Mami Kamasa. Do you know why? Do you know why? He was in Lagos.
Open face of government.
Well, he was in US. He's the man. He's the man. Sports minister nowhere. Training media training media training bad. Sikansu 1 million or the games. African games and not about the place. Yes, these are the people we need to encourage. Public officers, I say a bomb basso because the commitment to the team, he is there with them, supporting them. These are the people. I don't want this car.
Mommy, you find out what I'm in. Why? I remember Nassau. T. Kevin Bosson, Nipo, you win. Yana, yeah, call ya,